Alright guys, it's Nikolai the Bear. I'm walking to my fire department and I happen to hear a train, so I'm not going to go any further. As you can see, it kind of slopes down, it slopes up. But I can't really do nothing without getting hit by the train. Not sure which way he's coming, but I'm going to try and post a video every now and then. Not sure how it's going to work quite yet, but yeah, let's sit here and wait for the train. I don't really want to sit down because that's a thorn bush right there. Right there, it's thorn bush, and there's all thorns down there, but see if he comes. Let's see how long he is too. And if he doesn't come, it's a wasted video, but, well, it's not really a wasted video because it gets more videos out to me. And, yeah, I don't really know where to go with this. If you guys have any comments letting me know how to be a better moto vlogger, what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see, you know, what's fun to you, what's awesome. But here comes the train, I think. Because I can see the tracks moving and I hear them coming. If you guys hear me spit, it's not because I chew tobacco, it really isn't. It's because cottonmouth. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but I think I see the train coming now. Cottonmouth is where the spit kind of turns to cotton. I don't know, it gets really thick in your mouth and whatnot. And I'm going to be talking about a whole bunch of random things today during this vlog, and I know it's supposed to be a moto vlog, but I'm kind of walking. It can be a walk vlog or a vlog. I don't know. Oh, he's slowing down. Let's kind of take a kneel here. Watch him as he comes. I love trains. I really, really do. Ooh, it's a big one. Big one. It's coming real slow though. Probably because these tracks suck. They really do. They're bendy and wobbly and think they're 100 years old. But I'm gonna shut up and watch the train come. That'd be awesome to hitch a ride there. I don't think he'd let me. But, yeah. Train. Woo. Couple of engines, 1, 2, 3 engines so far. Graffiti. Alright, stand up here. Looks like he's slowing down. Alright guys, how many car train was that? And see you in the next one. Bye.